Hey guys, I'm in a trade here on Tilray, TLRY. You can see here at 10:19 I called this out in my live trading room long Tilray, and that's when I got into this trade right here. Now this one I got long here. I was looking for 2-to-1 on my money. I got stopped out. And now you can see here at 10:36 right here I called out, Tilray, let's try this again. Let's fire one more bullet. I suck at longs. So currently I'm in this trade right now, and I want to show you why I'm taking this trade. What was my thinking behind it? First of all, there's a big pool of liquidity sitting up here, and I think that liquidity is ultimately going to get hunted before the end of the day. But my first target on it is 1582. Now, I got long here, my stop is down here, and I'm hunting this liquidity up here. Now, why am I looking at Tilray even in the first place? Well, the daily kind of stinks on it, but there's a lot of really good news on the weed stocks today. And whether this trade works or not, I'm going to show you exactly why I took this trade and why I think it's going to go and possibly work by the end of the day. So let me just show you something here. So I pulled up this website which I use to find the short interest on stocks. This is real time. It's updated every day. So you can see Tilray has 7.84% of the float short. So it's primed for a little squeeze, right? And then if I dig a little bit deeper on Tilray, I can see that there is a lot of call gamma on the 15 strikes. So what's going to happen is that when we gapped up here into this 15 level, 15 is a very, very key level on it. When we gapped above that, the market maker is going to be forced to go and hedge all that call gamma. And if you don't know what hedging call gamma is, basically what it means is the market maker is overly exposed on all of his calls that he wrote, and he has to go into the open market to cover it at 15 and at 16 and at 17. So this has some potential to really fly, and there's a potential for a gamma squeeze on this. So I'm looking at the expiries that are expiring in 2 days, and you can see it's the 14s and the 15s that are the biggest net gamma. Right? So I think the trade is a good trade. I think if you couple it with news, I think taking 2 bullets on it are a good thing to do. So I got long here at 1525. What I usually do in these situations is when I get to about 15% of my, 75% of my target, I will move my stop to break even. Now we're coming into lunch, and today is also a Fed announcement day, and the Fed is coming out with an announcement in a couple of hours. I was really hoping this would have squeezed here up into this liquidity zone, and now I think what I'm probably going to have to do, win, lose, or draw, is I'm going to have to adjust my stops to about 1522-ish, 1523-ish. I don't want to lose money twice on this trade. It should have squeezed here if the squeeze was going to work. It didn't. It came back and tested the 15 level, which makes sense. So I think I'm going to move my stops to break even, or more like around 1519. So it would be a very small loser. I'm not going to take the full loss on this. So I'm going to pause the video. We'll come back and we'll take a look. We'll see how it plays out. But win, lose, or draw, I'm going to post this video because it's a great educational video. I'll be back and pause the video. I'll be back soon. Okay, do a little update here. We just hit my 2-to-1 profit target on Tilray. Now I still think we're going to hunt this liquidity up here before the end of the day. So I'm only going to take off half the position. So based on my losing trade here and my winning trade here, I now cannot lose on this trade, right? I lost $350 here. I just made back, because I'm taking 2 to 1 on my money, I just made back $350 here. And so now the remainder position is I'm going to leave it and let it run to see if we can hit this liquidity at 1630. I think it's got some room, guys. It's basically a lottery ticket for me right now, and I think it's got some room. I think it can continue to squeeze based on that gamma that I just showed you earlier. Pause the video, I'll come back. Okay guys, you can see here Tilray is working beautifully. 2 trades on it today. I just took off my last half of the trade here at 1605. I got my fill and I was happy with that. You know, I think the gamma squeeze was around 15. I think it still has the potential to squeeze to 1622, but the only reason why I'm closing it is because it's lunch hour now. It's 12 o'clock. And also it's a Fed day. I mean, this would be a no-brainer. I would hold this. We talked about these gamma levels at what do you call it, 15 and 16 here. We talked about the potential for the squeeze, and we have this big gamma at 14.15. I think it's pretty much covered now. There is some gamma at 16.50 and 17. I mean, it could fly. It really could fly. I mean, this could easily go to 18. I was considering leaving a position on, like a very small runner, but again, the main problem is today is the Federal Reserve, and I'm just a trader that likes to lead on the side of caution, and you know, got good profits, can't complain. And great day, great trades. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you like my videos, and you can see all of my trades were posted here. I called everything out in real time. I also called it out in my room. If you like my videos, remember to leave a like and remember to subscribe. Also, if you have questions, please feel free to leave your questions. I mean, I've been trading for a very long time, guys. I'm happy to help. So please leave comments and questions, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. Alright, and if you want to learn how to find more of these trades on your own, go to my website. Bye for now.